That is some really strong tea. What's up, everybody? How are you feeling? I could really use a professional masseuse right now. How about you? I'm feeling just like a little down, but trying to keep my spirits high. It's like it's such mental work, you know? It's like being positive and staying grateful is not easy stuff. It's not easy to say you're okay when you're not. It's not easy to act like you're fine on days where you're not really feeling so good and you just wanna sleep all the time. Yeah, that's me. Today I slept in bed all day cause I hexed my back up moving the couch. And I was like, ouch, my god, that really freaking hurt. And yeah, I was just like, heck. But I'm choosing to stay grateful. I'm choosing to focus on the better things in life. To not hyper focus on the negative. Just deal with it, and keep my head above water. I no longer let myself wander down the path that doesn't help me. I try my best to stay humble and not get too grumbly. No, I try my best to stay hyper-focused on the good things in life. Cause my God, these things will always happen, they will never change. But what we can change and rearrange is the way that we react to them. So I try, and I'm just like, oh my. But I lift my eyes to the sky and I say, thank you for another day. Even though this one kind of sucks and I don't love it too much, that's okay. It's a roller coaster, not a steady wave, but that's all right. I'm okay. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is another day. Whoa, I can't go that low, yo. My friends, always stay grateful, stay happy, cause we're here, we're breathing, we're living, our heart is beating. You know, that's a miracle in itself, and it's all good to have some days where you're just like, ugh, I'm ready for tomorrow, you know? But baby, keep your blessings in your mind. Know this too shall pass in just a little time. No need to get too caught up on the little things. No need to get too caught up on the little things. Seriously. It's so easy, you know? But your time is so much more precious than giving it that kind of energy. So stay high, guys. Energetically high. Yeah, stay energetically high. And this too shall pass. Maybe you needed to hear that. Maybe you didn't and you just are here watching me. Hi. I love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Remember, it's okay to not be okay sometimes. You don't have to be happy all the time. You can't be happy all the time. But you can stay in an attitude of gratitude all the time. It's totally our choice.